Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, just want to make sure my lighting is good, but what we're going to be getting into is I recently, or not recently, but today, I guess you could say recently, I copped this pair of SB Dunk lows. As you guys can see, these have been dropping this week. I've recently made a video on this. I believe the name is the Trocadéro Gardens. I'm going to confirm that in a second. I might have messed it up, but aside from that, you can also call it the City of Dreams SB Dunk Low because it's part of, I believe it is a pack, but I think this might be actually the name for it. On this one, it is called the City of Dreams SB. But I'll show you all the box, everything else we got with it. I mean, it's just a regular, purple box, so there's not really too much more I got to say than that. I'll show you the extra laces, everything else up close with these, and of course, the resale prices for anybody that is curious about those now. So I'm getting my phone out, make sure that's ready. Again, if y'all want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. I was trying to 200 likes in this video. Just lets me know that, again, these are the types of videos y'all want more of. Unboxings, just things discussing sneakers that are maybe going up in price or ones that are hot right now that you should get to flip or just keep for your collection. Whatever you're into, you know what I mean? I try and do a wide variety of just stuff related to sneakers. So if you're into that, make sure you guys are staying tuned here. And don't forget to check out my Instagram down below if you ever want to buy pairs off me. I got canaries, so if anybody needs canaries, I got some early pairs. Like, for example, these are dropping soon, the Chameleon SBs. Feel free to check out my full-length video on that. Yeah, I got, J Balvin, some other pairs, Bread 4s. I mean, you name it. I have a lot of the recent releases. So just hit me up. Do some business with me. Business with me there. And you can check out also my posts that I, consistently do there. I'll be posting pics of these there tonight, so don't miss out on that. And yeah, that's really everything I need to say. Why don't we get into discussing this SB Dunk Low right here. So first things first, I'm just going to show you all the box label for these. Again, this is just my personal size 9 or 9.5 is usually with what I go with for SBs. Just kind of depends, how they're built or, what I think would fit me best. So yeah, I just went with a 9 for these. And yeah, straight from my skate shop. So I paid, I think after like tax and everything, it was like $139. It was like $139.94 or something like that, right around there. So about $140 just for reference. But aside from that, what we got going on with these, so keep in mind, both of them are the exact same. There's no differences between the pairs, right? They're both, have the exact same stuff on them. It's not like, they're like each one's kind of like, different or has unique details on it. Both are the exact same. So I'll just kind of, take one right here. I'll take the one with the laces on it so I can at least show you that. So the extra laces we got with these, I think these actually will work right here. Small sizes are doing really well in these because it makes sense that ladies would like these, because they could rock them with these pink laces. Even my guys, I'm thinking about, maybe rocking these and just using these laces because this actually might work a little bit better than, the brown laces we got here. But this does fit because, again, you can see that toe box we got right there, which is all suede. A lot of this sneaker is suede. Just keep that in mind. So toe box all around it right there. You can see kind of going up towards the tongue tag even. You can see it kind of has, because keep in mind this, sneaker is kind of inspired by coffees and cigarettes. I guess, that's like a common breakfast thing. I'm not knocking nobody's, taste, whatever they prefer. But as you guys can see, that's why, you got kind of this look right here because, it's supposed to be based off coffee. Ooh, so, there we go. That's what we got with that. But aside from that, there is the insoles all on these. There's another nice little detail here, so I want to show you all that. Maybe, well, the laces are in the way of this one, but you can see it just says Nike SB right there. Maybe you guys can see that. So just kind of, another unique thing. Kind of has that same style of font as like, for example, the background on the tongue tag right there. So that's another little cool little touch. And one part of the sneaker that, well, no, I was about to say the, swoosh isn't suede, but it is a suede material. And same with what we got back here on this right here. The Nike symbol on the back is the same on both of them by the heel. And it is that nice suede material. So just keep that in mind. Another nice detail that I like about these. And overall, I mean, I think rocking them with the brown laces, the pink laces, either would work in my personal opinion. Whatever you prefer, that's basically, what it doesn't matter. There's no like, which one is actually best. I think both work about the same, with this particular sneaker. Because keep in mind, there's a lot of brown on the shoe, and well, there's a good amount of pink on it as well. So it's literally like half and half of each. So that's why I'm saying like, it's pretty balanced with how they choose or chose to use the colors on the sneaker. So it's like, either lace works. You could even mismatch it. One you could use the brown, one you could use the pink. It's just kind of up to you. I think that actually might be kind of cool, a little mismatch on these. But also another cool part on these I wanted to show you guys is the soles. Maybe you guys can see that. I don't know how to like describe that, but it's like, you see what I'm saying? It's like it's not some ordinary soles. It's like has different colors going throughout it. Again, kind of like a coffee or a latte. That's like, pretty much what we got. Reminds me of the recent Jordan 1 latte insoles, actually. If you saw my video on that, it's kind of similar to that style of design with what we got going on there. So also you can see the pink centers that we got right there. Just Nike SB symbol right there. Doesn't get much more simple than that. And another thing that we have on these, again, swoosh is made of suede. This back here is also suede. I mean, yeah, almost all of the sneaker is suede, you know what I mean? Except for, well, pretty much the, inside of the sneaker and, well, the tongue tag. But every other part of it, you can just, yeah, it is suede. So that's pretty much what we got going on with these. But overall, probably my favorite parts would be toe box, or again, I really like the insoles and the extra laces. I think those are pretty cool. But yeah, I've been copping a decent amount of pairs recently, so I don't know if this is going to be one that I'm huge on for the collection, but it's just a cool one, just grab, make a little review on for you guys. Just thought I would show you all them, and let me know if you ended up copping one recently. But we'll get into discussing the resale prices, because I know some of you guys are going to be curious about that, so I'm not going to miss out on doing that because, yeah, I mean, some are actually flipping pretty decent. So, as you guys can see with this particular SB, the screen recording is, boom, just started right now. So, you guys can see most of the sizes, size 9, 9.5, 10, most are going for about 160, 170. Excuse me, geez, I don't know what's going on. But keep in mind, these are probably going to hit sneakers, you know what I mean? So, I would say the odds of that are, that's most likely going to happen. It's not like some sort of special collaboration. Kind of reminds me, the pastoral prints. Because keep in mind, the pastoral prints, those were called the City of Styles. And these are called the City of Dreams. And the City of Styles hit sneakers, so why wouldn't the City of Dreams hit sneakers? You know what I mean? It's not like these are, much different. You know what I mean? They're an SB Dunk Low. I'm sure Nike can make as many of them. So I'm very certain that these are going to hit sneakers and probably drop in price a little further. So if you got a small size and you can sell, I mean, if you got a 7, 7.5, 6.5, and you're able to get a sale at $230, $200 right now, I mean, I would take that, you know what I mean? Because that's not going to last, you know what I mean? And I don't think there's even many sales that have even happened here. Let's check out a 6.5. Have any even sold? Yeah, no bids. You know what I mean? Here, let's see. Okay, yeah, so for example, for a size 7, look at that. Last sale, $224. So one sold for a 7. So if you're able to get a small size and flip it quick, I think that's a good idea. You know what I mean? But some of these other ones, let's see how if 7.5 is a sale. Yeah, so 7.5 is a sale right there. So boom. You know what I'm saying? Like some of these small sizes, if you can get the quick flip on them, they're good. But I don't think these are going to be like some sort of crazy hold. Maybe in some of the big sizes, like a 12 or 13, I'll get a couple of those, put them away for a while. But I think this will be a SB that'll have a decent amount of stock. It's mainly just one to cop, I think, if you like, or make the quick flip on now. Because keep in mind, if they, as stock continues to come in, more people get pairs at their skate shops. These have been selling out, though, so people really like them. That's a fact. It is a really nice SB Dunk Low, but depending on, again, how many more we have dropping, that'll affect the resale. But if you want to get a couple right now, just maybe flip one, keep one, and then just kind of see what happens with the release. If, they end up bricking, or, if they end up, not doing a lot of them, like we get stock numbers and they're very low, yeah, this will be a good one, just get a couple of them and put them away. Because it is a really nice colorway. I could see these aging well, but based off, how recently Purple Box SBs have been doing, they've been ones that have been mass produced or ones that have had like a lot more stock than usual. So I'd probably take the flip now. I don't think these are a great hold at the moment. But again, if they don't have a lot, once we figure out those numbers, if there ends up not being a lot of them, the age just fine. But I think it's just a great personal first things first. So I'm going to end that screen recording. There's my resale prediction and I guess current resale prices. Y'all can see that there. But yeah, just let me know your thoughts on this SB Dunk Low. Did you cop it recently for the collection? To flip? Let me know what you did recently with this pair. For me, I'll probably just end up keeping these for the toe. If anybody needs a pair, I got a few on the way. So just let me know your size on my Instagram DM. I'll pop up my Instagram right now so you guys can see that. But if anybody needs a pair of these, just hit me up. Let me know what size. I should have some very soon. I have, well, obviously this size 9 and a size 11. So if you got some fair offers, hit me up. I will be selling them. And the 9 and 11 are in hand. I got a couple more that hopefully will be on the way soon, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, that's everything I really need to say. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more content like this down below. Let's try and hit 200 on this video. And yeah, I mean, again, stay tuned for my project on the way too. I'll pop that up on the screen. I've been, shouting out a lot of stuff, but this is coming very, very soon this summer. I've got the website, a lot of stuff set up for it. Just make sure you guys are staying tuned. That's going to be a good thing. If you guys like undermarket kicks, then stay tuned there for a lot of the benefits that members will have. And yeah, again, just let me know your thoughts on these. That's the most important thing down below. And let's try not 200 likes on this video. I think I already said that, so I'm done repeating myself. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I got some stuff to mail out, so we're gonna go get that done. I've recorded a few videos today, so yeah, we're just gonna be editing today, or well, tonight. So that's gonna be the grind and selling some kicks. So hit me up if you need any, and that's it. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Comment your thoughts down below. See you then. Peace.